Hello friends, welcome to the Hustle for English Cafe. This is your friend Pooja and today we're going to see parts of speech. Adverbs. Adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adjective, determiner, clause, preposition or sentence. For example, loudly, lazily, slowly, very, almost, really, etc. Adverb हे असे शब्द असतात ज्यामुळे एखाद्या वर्बला, ॲडजेक्टिव्हला इंटेन्सिटी देऊ शकतो आपण, नेक्स्ट लेवल देऊ शकतो. For example, he sang loudly. She is very pretty. म्हणजे very हे intensity दाखवते. She's pretty. It's a normal statement. But when you say she's very pretty, ती खूप सुंदर आहे. He writes really well. Types of adverbs. Adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us more about the intensity of the verb in the sentence. म्हणजेच एखाद्या वाक्यामध्ये वर्बची इंटेन्सिटी आपल्याला दर्शवण्यासाठी आपण adverbs वापरतो. डिग्रीज म्हणजे काय? तर low degree, medium degree, highest degree. Almost, enough, hardly, just, nearly, quiet, simply, so, to हे सगळे आहेत adverbs of degree. His short essay is hardly sufficient. It's simply not enough. Simply is giving the intensity to the sentence. I'm so excited to move to Ireland. So is showing your degree of emotions. म्हणजे तुम्ही किती excited आहात. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency let us know how often something occurs. म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट किती वेळेला होते, थोडीशी होते, कधी होतच नाही. ती frequency सांगण्याचं काम करतं adverbs of frequency. Again, always, never, normally, rarely, seldom, sometimes, usually, other adverbs of frequency. I always go for a walk in the morning. We usually eat dinner at 8 p.m. आम्ही रात्रीचं जेवण 8 वाजता करतो. Usually हा adverb इथे त्याची frequency सांगतो. We rarely go out for dinner. आम्ही कधी-कधीच बाहेर जेवायला जातो. Next is adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how or in what manner something was carried out. म्हणजेच एखादी गोष्ट कशा प्रकारे घडलीये. How. त्याचा आन्सर असतं adverbs of manner. Slowly, rapidly, clumsily, badly, easily, quickly, correctly. She passed the exam easily. They walked quickly to catch the train. ते खूप जोरात चालत गेले to catch the train. The dinner party went badly. John answered the question correctly. जर आपण फक्त John answered the question एवढंच सेंटेन्स दिलं असतं, त्याला किती इंटेन्सिटी आहे, त्याचं मॅनर काय आहे कळलं नसतं. करेक्टली या शब्दाने आपल्याला समजलंय की जॉननी कसे आन्सर्स दिले. Adverbs of place. An adverb of place, sometimes called as special adverbs, will help explain where an action happens. These terms don't usually end in ly. म्हणजे एखादी ऍक्शन कुठे घडलीये ते सांगण्याचं काम adverbs करतात. For example, southeast, everywhere, up, left, close by, back, inside, around. म्हणजेच जनरली आपण जेव्हा एखाद्या प्लेस बद्दल बोलत असतो आणि त्यासाठी आपल्याला त्याची इंटेन्सिटी सांगायची असते वर्बची, त्यावेळेला आपण हे adverbs of place वापरतो. Here comes the sun. There is love in the air. Here you go. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens. जेव्हा आपल्याला when या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर द्यायचं असतं आणि ते आपल्याला खूप इंटेन्सिव्हली किंवा खूप इफेक्टिव्हली आन्सर करायचं असतं त्यावेळेला आपण adverbs of time वापरतो. Usually placed at the end of the sentence. आणि हे adverbs आपण generally, usually sentenceच्या शेवटी वापरतो. Today, yesterday, last year, now are some examples of adverbs of time. I have to go now. मला आता जायचं आहे. We first met Priya last year.
Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.